Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Nur Aziza Azira binti Abdul Razak from class IM455 3B. So for this video, I'll be presenting my troubleshooting problems, which is laptop won't turn on. Now let's get started. So this is my laptop. As I told before, the laptop won't turn on, which make me so uncomfortable with it because I can't do my work. So in order to solve these problems, I will show you step by step on how I know the cause of these problems till the last step, which is hardware replacement. So stay tuned, okay? So that's all for my video. I hope you enjoy and have a nice day.
Nope.